Go check it.
Get it out and see.
You open this.
Well, you open everything else first before we started.
What's that? Look at that. It's a big, big basket.
Look.
I know, it's that. And there's more.
Look what's in your basket. There might be more in there.
Come on, Alex.
You open this.
No, we opened the things after you open everything. You still got more to open.
Yeah. This guy.
Yeah, chocolate bun.
What's more? And what's that?
Goodness, you have a scooter?
Uh-oh.
What?
A Toy Story Easter basket?
And what's that?
Oh.
Oh, it's just a scooter. Oh.
You want to try your scooter? Want to try it?
You want to open your basket? Alex, bring it here. Let's see what's in it. Grandma and Mommy saw the Easter Bunny hopping away, but Alex didn't get up in time to see it.
You're gonna eat it. You need tighter.
Hold on. Hey.
Papa, eat it.
Oh, hold on. You gotta get your basket ready.
Look. Another eat it.
Yes, we'll put it in your basket. Oh, wait. You haven't gotten it out yet.
Look.
Uh-huh.
Okay, we'll put it in here till you get the basket open. Then you can put all your eggs in your basket.
Oh, he's found that many already.
Found
Yeah, well,
another Easter egg.
Yes, he found an Easter egg.
Okay, well, let's see what's inside this.
Come on, let's go open it now.
Yeah, let me hold this for a second.
Ash. Come here.
There. I'll put it there.
Now you can give me my Swiss.
They're Swiss.
What's that?
This.
I just dropped the Swiss.
That's Army Men.
Army. Oh. That's your first Army man.
There's actually a basket in here somewhere.
Yeah, sometimes it's a ball.
I can't put it out.
Hold on.
I don't put it out.
Just a minute, Daddy, getting everything.
What's that?
Well, howdy, hey there, buckaroo.
Your cowboy hat. It looks just like Woody.
You sure there's a basket?
Well, I hope so. This is, I don't know, it looks like some kind of rocket.
What's that here?
And Alex, look, what's that?
No,
No, there isn't actually a basket in this Easter basket.
It's just a box.
Now Daddy will have to show you how you do this.
Alex, and what's that?
Mom put on top of the little launcher.
Look who's riding the scooter.
what is this to rocket?
Oh, Daddy will have to show you how that works.
There you go. Let me put the eggs in there.
You gotta put the eggs in there.
Put the glass in here.
See, what's that? Oh, I've been looking for one of those. Couldn't find one of those either.
Alex, can I use your scooter?
Well, that's for you to put things you need in it while you're taking a trip.
What's that? Alex, look.
A rocket.
Alex, and what's that? Right there.
No, look at this.
Yeah.
Alex, how about that?
Oh. I want a chocolate bunny.
Ah!
Let me try it. 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 Let me try it.
Well, let me show you how.
Let me try it.
Not me.
You got her. You got her. You got her.
So where are all the other eggs?
Yeah, where are you colored?
Found one of them. I handed it to you. Where'd it go?
I don't know.
The what?
Actually, I handed it back to him.
The what?
Where did the egg go?
Hmm.
You took it. The orange one.
What?
You took the egg.
Look around, Alex.
Oh, you put it in the counter.
Look. I found my mom.
Found another one.
Yeah.
Alright, Kurt. Put it in here. No, put it in here. Alex. 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 One.
No, they go back in here now, honey. Here, put them in here.
Oh.
These are so pretty.
No, put them in here. Yeah, put them in the basket.
No. Okay, you have to find more.
Look. Look. It's rockets.
You gotta find more. Find more of the eggs.
I'm not going to attack you, son. That egg jumps out, I'm going to shoot it with my Toy Story rocket.
Oh, Alex, I found one. Come here.
No,
Come
that's
here.
just my belly.
Come
I know
here.
it's kind of egg-shaped.
Alex, come here.
Careful.
Mm.
Alex. There's more. Didn't we color 6 eggs? I only see 3 in there.
The colors. The color. 7.
7. Hey,
Why
Hey.
you got too many other things?
hey. There's 4 more eggs to find. You have 4 more eggs to find at least.
How are you gonna find eating?
You got a hunt for 'em.
Is it in the basket?
No, they're not. The ones you found are in the basket.
Please.
You found that one already.
What's the one? What's the one? There's funny people.
Alex, come on. Come here. Gotta find more eggs, Alex.
I see one.
Grandma see one.
Come over here, Alex.
I want this.
You need to have breakfast first, and you need to find the other eggs first.
Gotta find the other eggs. Come on.
Look, there's one right by you, Alex. You're being like your daddy. It's daring right
That's
there.
enough. That's enough of that. Really. 30 goddamn years of that. That's enough.
Come on. Come here.
I'm gonna
You found one. Please.
Don't drop it.
Like that.
There's more.
You know, be careful. See, you drop it, you crack them. See, look. Look what happened. You broke it. You broke the egg because you dropped the other one on it.
There's more. Come on.
You need to be gentle with eggs. They
How
break.
many more eggs? There's more.
I know. There's at least 2 more. Oh.
Why don't you sit on the couch first?
After another eating.
Okay, gently. Gently. Better.
That's
I'm doing this one.
I think there's at least 2 more.
And there's a lot more.
I think the Easter Bunny hits them outside, too.
Why don't you go get Daddy's shoes?
Go get Daddy's shoes so we can go outside and look for more eggs.
I think Daddy's shoes in the kitchen.
Alex, my shoes are over here. My shoes are right there. You found an egg and Sunshine scratching thing that he never uses? Well, at least we have a good use for it on the high Easter eggs. Okay, put it in the basket. You know, give me my shoes and we can go outside. I think there's more eggs out there. There's not an egg in my shoe, is there? Alex? Alex?
No.
Are there eggs in my shoes?
That would be funny. Funny.
Yeah, I think you want to check by not shoving your foot in there.
Alice, can you get my flip-flops?
Alex, get mommy's flip-flops.
Right
Go
there.
outside and look for more eggs.
Right there. Alex. My flip-flops, it's right there. It's right there, outside. Can you get my flip-flops, please? Right there, outside. Thank you.
Alright, go put your Crocs on. Let's go. I think there's more eggs outside.
Come on.
Alex. Alex, come on. Here, hand me that. Play with that later. You got eggs to find. Go put your Crocs on.
No. I have a zipper, please.
Right here.
Zipper. Right there.
Those blue shoes right there. Put them on.
I don't want to.
Then you're going to be awfully cold when you go outside. Now put your shoes on.
Crocs.
Crocs, yes.
What's that, yours?
Come on, there's eggs outside waiting for you. Alright, take your Easter bucket. Let's go look for more eggs. Oh my Lord, I see 3 right now. 4, 5. Found another one.
I found another one. I found another one. Yummy, where it could be. I found them. Yes, that's that. 1, 2, 3. I found 2. I found them.
Well, is there more out here? Let's go look.
It's big.
No more, that's it.
Oh, I see one hidden. He's there last year, and then last year he wouldn't pick them up.
I saw it. I saw one in the house.
You know, I think Colbert was right. Easter egg hunting, our Easter egg hiding tip.
I
Children are often not allowed on the roof.
found them. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. I think there's still more. I don't think we found all the painted ones.
Yeah. Come on.
Alex, look at the bush. Keep looking. You found one in there.
Wait, where could it be?
I don't know. Find them all, and then we'll look inside them, okay?
Okay.
You think you're really something special, don't you, Sunshine?